Very short video on how to install the timing chain tensioner on a 2009 Chevy Silverado 4.3 Vortec V6. Once you have your engine properly timed, right there, just like that, you'll install your guide, this piece right here, which is held on by a Torx bolt, and then take your tensioner here and slide it in from the bottom to the top, and it'll lock in place. As it is sitting in the engine right there, attached with a Torx bolt, you can take your guide and your tensioner, run it up through there, and I had to use the head of a ratchet to put tension right there on the bottom, and it'll snap right in place, like so. Make sure that you check which vehicle you have. Different Vortec 4.3 engines have different tensioners. If you have any other questions, send me a message.